Hi Yellow, so today I'm going to be showing you all the bags that we're going to be learning in the August training. Drum roll! First week of the training, this is what we're going to be learning. You're going to be learning how to make the inverted T gusset bag. So if you're wondering how this looks when you carry it, this is another version of it with flap. So this time, you can open this, what we have here. So once you open it, there is the zipper pull and then there is the flap. And tada! Second week, we are going to be learning how to make the A-shaped gusset bag. So if you're wondering what is A-shaped gusset bag, you can see this is the A-shaped gusset bag. So this is what we're going to be learning in the first day of the second week of this training. Alright, so you can have this in various handles. You can decide to have this as, you know, a top handle, or you can have it as a chain handle as it says. Can you see how chic this looks? And you can have this as a wallet, put a lock, and you know, your balling can hold this. Whatever it is, however it is you decide to carry your bag. So this is one of the bags that we're going to be learning how to make in the August training. Chic, right? I really do love this on my black. The same second week of the training, we are going to be learning how to make the double compartment with curved base of the same bag. What is this English that I'm speaking? Here. So this is the double compartment. Let me use this because of the black. So this is the double compartment of the A-shaped gusset bag, and can you see what it looks? Okay, it's the black of the same bag. All right, so I'm just going to open this on it, and I have used velvet lining to lining this. It has a zip in the middle. So this is one of the bags that we are going to be learning in this training. How chic do you see this? Lovely, right? Imagine that you are selling all these bags. Imagine that you are selling all these bags. Imagine that you're not selling all these bags. You can make as much as 20, 50, 100 with just the same knowledge. You just want tutorial from just 1 week, and you're making 50 of all of these bags. In the third week of this training, we are going to be learning how to make the U-shaped gusset bag. So this is it. This is the U-shaped, right? This is the U-shaped gusset bag with the chain handle. And then I have it in another color here. Style it however it is that you want, and then you can also release the handle to make it a long handle bag, right? Like this. You can make it a long handle bag and have it crossbody. On the same third week, we're going to be learning how to make this. Okay, so I have made this to be a curved cylindrical handle bag, and can you look at it? This is the U-shaped gusset, and you're going to be able to have the long handle that makes you to be able to carry the same bag as crossbody, and then you can carry it like this. So just imagine. Lastly, the fourth week, what are we going to be learning in the fourth week? So this is what we're going to be learning how to make in the fourth week of this training This is what we're going to be learning how to make. Can you see? Can you see? It has a zipper, and then you can put things on the inside. I've already put things on the inside, and so this is the zipper. And can you see this bag? Absolutely gorgeous and neat. Last day of the fourth week, which is going to be the roundup of the program, that is when you're going to be having your exams, your practice to make a laptop bag. Based on the knowledge that you have gathered here, you're going to be able to make a laptop bag all by yourself. You're going to be making a lot more than the amount that you have used to train. And imagine learning how to make this alone. Make, let's say, 50 of it, and you sell in 3 months. 50 of this kind of bag, and you sell in 3 months. Are you a ritualist? After this training, the training fee is going to go back to 60,000 naira. The deadline is initially 12th of August, but now the deadline has been extended to the 15th of August. So if you're making payment or no before 15th of August, you can still make the payment of 20,000 naira in order to join this training. But if you're making payments much later, that means you're going to be paying the full amount, which is 60,000 naira. So I advise you to join the pre-launch, join this program at the pre-launch level. The training is going to start on the August 16th. It's a Wednesday. So August 16th, the training is going to start. Wednesday and Saturday, you're going to be receiving video tutorials that teaches you how to make one of these bags each till the fourth week. I've explained earlier, you're going to be doing your practical, and your practical is basically a laptop bag. So I want to be sure that you have covered and you have learned a lot of things that you can apply and make manipulations, varieties of bags. I hope that I'll see you in the August training. See you there.